Hello, this is TheMghtyOffbeats, and today another Nerf Gun Combo. So, today's combo is the Recon, as the main gun. Now, for this one actually, I'll just say now, you can use Recon stocks. Well, you could use the Raider stock, you could use long strike shorts, even though apparently they're not removable, but I don't really know about that. But you don't really have to, and I think it's pretty cool without it, this one, so I won't use it. Then, for like barrel, you don't need to have a barrel, but on every Nerf gun, but I usually do, is the long shot extended barrel kind of gun type thing, which is fairly powerful. Fairly powerful anyway. Oh, and with the Recon's the tactical light with the long shot scope on top of the tactical sight. So from the front, just like that. Just stop there a minute, turn it off. So it looks like that. You can see the scope there. The actual sight's inside the scope. And a lot further than I thought it did. Right. So, how am I going to do this? Right. When you reload it, it is a bit weird because you pull it back and it's fine, nothing comes off. But if you force it forward, oh, it didn't work. It didn't happen. Usually it comes off, but I think it's because I've got this one in the front, it won't come off. It has come off a little bit there. But anyway, yeah. So, goods and bads. A good, if you use the stock, you can fit an extra ammo clip in it. Recon has got a spare ammo clip thing in the bottom there. Don't know whether you can see it. I'll try and get some light on it. Hold on, I've got an idea. I'll just use this. Right, where is it? In there, look. So yeah, that's enough of that. Put that back on. Put that back on top. Oh yeah, put that on the way now. Right, there we go. No, I didn't. Oh, right. Okay, right, ready to fire now, I think. Right. Oh, bads. Definitely one of the bads. Very unstable. Really. You can hear that. Well, that's just that bit there actually, the cocking handle on the front gun. But if I hold that, that's now that. If I hold them and shake it, that's basically still them. But it is really loose. Like I could just put the weight onto the front and hold the Recon up, and it will just that's it. But other than that, pretty good. Right, let's see how it shoots. Right, fairly powerful there. Let's shoot another one. Oh god, probably not so powerful. Shoot one more. There we go, not so powerful there neither. But, of course, if you haven't ever seen this gun, if you haven't watched my long shot video, the reason why it's got a cocking handle is because it's got that there, which, if I can find this there bullet, got one, you can put in any type of bullet really. Streamline. The only other one I've got down here, actually no, I've got all my bullets down here, so I'll show you one of each how they fire. I haven't got a suction dart though, but oh well. Right, I think I should get a better one than that. Squash, squash, okay, squash, never mind. Right, this is this, just gonna copy again. Streamline. Right, this isn't with the, there we go, right. That was not very powerful at all. Dart tack. Fairly powerful that one, I think. And now Whistler, which I reckon will be the most powerful. But just the other whistle there. So that's it for this Nerf Gun combination. Thank you for watching. I've been TheMghtyOffbeats. I think that's it. Please subscribe and watch my other videos. Goodbye.